Step 1. Press the Start button to turn on the unit. Step 2. Touch the OTDR icon to enter the OTDR function. Step 3. Connect the fiber to the appropriate optical port. Step 4. Touch the lambda icon on the display to open the wavelength list, then choose the desired wavelength to test. You should only use the single wavelength settings for the auto test feature. Dual wavelength indicators are used for construction mode operation. Step 5. If the approximate fiber length is known, set the wavelength and then the range, averaging time, and pulse width. Then touch Scan to complete the test. If the approximate fiber length is unknown, touch the range icon to display the available ranges. Then touch Auto to set the OTDR to auto test. Lastly, touch Scan and the OTDR will start a test using the selected wavelength. Step 6. To view the event table with the trace, touch the Events tab. To view the events in a schematic layout, touch the Schematic tab. For more information, visit us online at www.teratech.us.